Good morning student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your online classes. I am your maths teacher and I am continuing your chapter 2 number from 1 to 9. In the previous class I have told you about number from 1 to 9 and their spelling. I am repeating that numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O 2. What is the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E 3. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R 4. What is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E 5. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X 6. What is the spelling of 7? S-E-V-E-N 7. What is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T 8. What is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E 9. I have told you the spelling from 1 to 9 in the previous class. Today I am going to continue your class. In this I will tell you about greater number. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater. What is the spelling of greater? G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater. Greater means more. Which is more? Suppose we are comparing two things. Now we have to tell which is more. I have taken two boxes. This is box number 1 and this is box number 2. In this I am making some balls. And in box number 2 also I am making some balls. Now we will compare the balls in both the box. So this is one ball and this is again one ball in box number 2. 2 ball, 2 ball. 3 ball, 3 ball. Now in box number 1, one ball is remaining. So which box has greater number of balls? Box 1 has greater number of balls. I am taking one more example. Suppose this is one box and this is another box. This is box number 1 and this is box number 2. In this I am making some ice cream. So we will compare which box has more ice cream. So this is 1, 1. Again 2, 2. Now in which box ice cream is remaining? In the first box. So the first box has more ice cream. This is greater. Next one is less than. How will you spell less? L-E-S-S less. How will you spell less? L-E-S-S less. Less means the number which is less than the other. Now again I am taking two boxes. Again I am drawing ball. Now this is box number 1 and this is box number 2. In box number 1, one ball I have compared with the ball in the second box. Then 2 ball, 2 ball. 3 ball, 3 ball. Now in which box ball is remaining? The ball is remaining in the first box. And there is no ball remaining in the second. So the second box have less ball. So we will put tick mark in the second box because we have to tell the box which have less ball. Second, I am making some toffees in it. This is box number 1. I have made some toffee in this. This is box number 1 and again I am making box number 2. In this also I am making some toffees. Now we will compare one toffee, one toffee. Now in box number 2 there is no toffee remaining. And in box number 1 there are 2 toffees. So in box number 1 there is more toffees and in box number 2 there are less. So we will put tick mark in box number 2. Next we will see equal to. How will you spell equal? E-Q-U-A-L, equal. When both the boxes have the same number, then we say that they are equal. Suppose these are two boxes. Again I am making balls in it. Now we will compare. This is box number 1 and this is box number 2. One ball, one ball. Two ball, two ball. 3, 3. 4, 4. So in both the boxes, the number of balls are same because no ball is remaining in each of the box. So both the box has same number. So we can say that they are equal. Both the boxes have equal number of balls. Now we will compare this greater than, less than and equal to with their symbols. Symbols means sign. First I have explained you greater. Greater than. Next is less than. Third is equal to. Now I will tell you the sign of all these. Greater than. Greater than means more. When the sign of greater than is like this, the mouth of this sign should be open towards the number which is greater. Where should the mouth be open? The mouth open side should be toward the number which is greater. And next is less than. In the less than, the sign should be like that and the back portion should be toward the number which is less. The back portion will be toward the number which is less. Now in equal to, the sign of equal to is like this. So in greater than, the mouth should be open toward the number which is greater, and in less than, the back portion of the sign should be toward the number which is less than. And in equal to, the sign is equal to, like this, two parallel lines. Now we will see how we put the number if it is greater than. If it is greater than, then I am taking example. I am drawing here trees. This is the first box and this is the second box. I am drawing some trees in it. So now we will compare which box has more tree, which box has greater tree. One tree, one tree. Two tree, two tree. Three, third tree, three tree. Then in which box the tree is remaining? In the second box the tree is remaining. Means the second box has more tree. So we will put the sign like this. The mouth should be open towards the box which has more things. Again we will see example. Now I am drawing carrot in it. This is box number 1 and this is box number 2. Now we will compare which box has more carrot. So this is box number 2. 1 carrot, 1 carrot, 2 carrot, 2 carrot. Now in which box the carrot is remaining? In the first box the carrot is remaining. So the box 1 has greater carrot. So we will put the sign like this. The mouth should be open toward the box which has greater carrot. This is greater than. Now next we will see the less than. What is the sign of less than? In less than, the backward part should be toward the number which is less. Again I am drawing two boxes. We will compare the things in the two boxes. Now this is ball. So I have drawn balls. In first box we will compare with the second box. 1 ball, 2 ball and 3 ball. In which box ball is remaining? The ball is remaining in the first box. So box 2 has less number of balls. So we will put the sign like this. The back part should be toward the box which has less number of ball. Again we will take example. I am drawing here some ice cream. So now we will compare this one ice cream, second ice cream. Now in which box ice cream is remaining? In the first box ice cream is remaining, and in the second box there is no ice cream. So the second box has less number of ice cream. So we will put the sign like this. The backward portion is toward the box which has less number of ice cream. Next is equal to. Next is equal to. The sign of equal to is two parallel line, two slipping line. Next, again I am taking two boxes. Now we will compare the things in that boxes. This is box number 1 and this is box number 2. One ball, two ball, two ball, three ball, three ball, four ball, four ball. In both the boxes 1 and 2, the number of balls are same. So we will put equal to. Again I am taking one example. I am drawing one box and this is second box. Here I am drawing toffees. Now which box has more toffees? One toffee, one toffee, two toffee, two toffee. So both the boxes has same number of toffees. So we will put equal to sign. So I have told you greater than, less than and equal to. Greater than, the mouth should be open toward the number which is greater. Next is less than, the backward part should be toward the number which is less. For equal to, two slipping line. So now we will take some number and compare this. Compare the number by putting the sign. Suppose I am taking some number 9, 9, 4 and 1, 2 and 8, now first is 6 and 2. Which is more? 6 is more or 2 is more? Which number is more? 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 means 1, 2. Which is more? The 6 is greater. So we will put the sign greater. The mouth is open toward the 6 because 6 is greater. Now in this both number are 9, 9. So we will put equal to because both the number are same. Next is 4 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 1. So which is greater? 4 is greater. So the mouth is open toward the 4 and 1 is smaller. So the its back portion is toward 1. Next number is 2 and 8. Which is greater? Here in 2 and 8, 8 is greater. So the mouth should be open towards 8. Next is 3 and 5. Which is greater? In 3 and 5. In 3 and 5, 5 is greater. So we will put the sign like this. The mouth is open toward the greater number. The backward part is toward 3. Now in 3 and 9, which is greater? 9 is greater. So we have put open the mouth toward 9. So greater than means this sign. The mouth should be open toward the greater number sign. Less than means this sign and the backward portion of that sign should be toward the number which is smaller. Equal to means two slipping line. I hope student you have understood this. Next in this chapter I am going to tell you about after and before number. Next topic is after and before. How will you spell after? A-F-T-E-R. After. How will you spell after? A-F-T-E-R. After. How will you spell before? B-E-F-O-R-E. Before. How will you spell before? B-E-F-O-R-E, before. For explaining this, I am writing number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. First I am explaining after. After number. After number means the number which is on the right side of that number. Which is on the right side. Where should be the after number? The after number means the number which is on the right side. Suppose anybody is asking you that which number is after 5. After 5 means you have to see this is 5. So which number? This is your right hand. So which number is on the right side of the 5? It is 6. So we will write here 6. Next, if I asked you which number is after 7. So where is 7? This is 7. So which number is on the right side of 7? It is 8. So we will write here 8. Suppose I am taking 2. So which number is? This is 2. So which number is after 2? It is 3. So we will write here 3. Suppose I have taken 9. So which number is after 9? This is 9. Which number is after 9 means which number is on the right side of 9? It is 10. The number which is coming on the right side of the given number, that number is known as after number. Next is before number. How will you spell before? B-E-F-O-R-E. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before number means the number which is on the left side of the given number. Again I am drawing the writing the numbers. So suppose I am taking a number 4. So which number is before 4? Before means the number which is on the left side. So which number is on the left side of the 4? It is 3. So we will write here 3. Next, if I am taking 7. Where is 7? This is 7. So which number is before 7? Or we can say which number is on the left side of the 7? It is 6. So we will write here 6. Which number is before 3? Where is 3? This is 3. So before 3 means the number which is on the left side of the 3. Which number is on the left side of the 3? 2. So we will write here 2. Suppose I am taking the number 1. So which number is? This is 1. So which number is on the left side of the 1? It is 0. So after means the number which is on the right side, and before means the number which is on the left side. After means the number which is on the right side, and before means the number which is on the left side. So I hope you all have understood the concept of greater than, less than and equal to, after and before. Children, all of you practice this at home. Have a nice day.